Hello, my name is Jeremy Orlando. We're here today to look at the T333 Torque toy hauler. Okay, walking around this T333 Torque, I want to start up in the front bedroom area. We do have a full king size walk around bed, which is really nice area. And then moving into the living room / kitchen area, you do have nice 2 reclining seats here. Comfortable, beautiful, huge 4K TV. With a nice bench dinette area. Just a beautiful little layout. Still have some good counter space in kitchen with this huge slide, this whole wall slide with another nice little couch seating area. So it's a good rounded area to bring multiple people together and be able to have a good conversation while watching the game or whatever. Moving into the back, it is a, I believe, 13-foot garage. There is no bathroom in the garage taking up the space, so you get the full 8-foot width all the way back. So for those bigger toys, this is a good option. So you get the separate garage model with good living space and a beautiful king bed up front. This unit does come with generator and fuel station, and so for those people that want to go out in the middle of the sand, you know, boondocking, wherever you are, this is a great unit for that. Thank you for looking around the T333 Torque toy hauler. My name is Jeremy Orlando. You can reach me at 541-914-3693.